Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use YouTube, how to search for videos, explore music and movies, and interact with content. First, open your Google app or internet browser and type youtube.com in the search bar. If you're on your phone, you can also tap the YouTube app. When YouTube opens, you'll see the home feed. Here, you can explore what's trending, find music, movies, news, and much more. To find something specific, use the search bar at the top. Type in what you want to watch. For example, live news or funny cat videos. When you play a video, you might see an ad first. Just tap skip ad on the right side of the screen to go straight to the video. Below the video, you can like, dislike, comment, or subscribe to the channel. To do this, you'll need to sign in with your Google account. You can also watch live videos, like live news or live music shows. Just type live in the search bar to see what's streaming right now. And that's it. Now you know how to use YouTube to explore videos, music, and live news. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy tech lessons.